reckon Buddy will eat you.
No, Zach. No.
Buddy, dinner's ready. Is he gonna eat this big belly? Oh, this oh.
Fellow.
You didn't have anything in his mouth, did you?
I think they get like sometimes a bit of wheat bix in their teeth.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe.
Then just flick it out.
Don't head off. It's gonna die.
What?
Don't head off. Go home.
No.
Yeah, we have to.
Why?
We'll get in trouble.
No, we won't.
You will.
We won't.
Come on, we'll take you back home.
Look at him.
Just looking.
Hey! The couch. Sorry.
He's biting his own foot. No.
Hey!
Oi. Hayden's on the phone to talk to. Wait, which one? Zach or Ash? I've got them both. Zach. Okay. Alright. There you go. Bye.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, I'm bringing in my soon wife. Yeah, right.
Do you want any more of this apple, Harvey?
Yeah, I'll ask him.
No?
But I'm pretty sure.